The exchange of languages through applications has become a simpler method when it comes to learning and teaching different types of languages. This practice is developed among native speakers who share their knowledge to each other without a plan or established theme. Thus gaining written, oral and auditory fluency through chats and audios, establishing a social interaction with the person. Here you can find a worldwide community that teaches your language while you teach yours. With the ease of not only learning a language, but as many languages as you want. Whatever your preferred form of communication, here in Hellotalk, you can use a conversation with your exchange partners. Since it has text, recordings, voice calls, video calls, and even scribbles, so you can participate and take advantage of the opportunity to know much more. The perfect platform to publish photos and to write in the language you are learning, so the native people in the language that see your publication will comment and help you correct misspelled words. The best thing about these type of applications is that they allow you to learn from the comfort of your home and in the most comfortable way possible, without having to travel somewhere. Now you have no excuses to learn several languages, undertake a new challenge in life and fulfill your dreams.